8號東北烈風或暴風信號喺晚上7點25分發出，表示本港吹東北風，平均風速每小時63公里或者以上。喺晚上7點，強烈熱帶風暴馬鞍集結喺香港東南偏南大約310公里，即係北緯19.9度，東經115.6度附近，預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約28公里，大致移向廣東西部沿岸。隨住馬鞍逐漸靠近廣東沿岸，香港風力有所增強，離岸同埋高地間中吹烈風，預料本港風力會喺晚間進一步增強。按照現時嘅預測路徑，馬鞍聽朝早最接近香港，喺本港西南偏南大約200公里範圍內掠過，對本港構成相當嘅威脅。8號烈風或暴風信號會至少維持到聽朝早6點。市民聽日早上出門之前，請留意最新嘅天氣報告。
The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal was issued at 7:25 p.m. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the northeast quarter. At 7 p.m., severe tropical storm Maan was centered about 310 kilometers south-southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 19.9 degrees north, 115.6 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 28 kilometers per hour in the general direction of the coast of western Guangdong. With Maan edging close to the coast of Guangdong, winds over the territory have strengthened and there are occasional gales offshore and on high ground. Local winds are expected to strengthen further overnight. According to the present forecast track, Maan will be closest to Hong Kong tomorrow morning and will skirt within 200 kilometers to the south-southwest of the territory, posing a considerable threat to the territory. Number 8 gale or storm signal will remain in force at least until 6 a.m. tomorrow. Members of the public are advised to take note of the latest weather information before departing in the morning.